Hi dear viewers, I am a boss on my channel ABC Nature. I am showing you bird activity in our garden around our home, our village home in Ghazi Khan, Pakistan. There are a lot of species around and these are common babblers. They live in groups and they sing quite sweet song. And this one is bush chat and this is by a weaver, very beautiful bird, enjoying the breeze. Quite colorful and beautiful. And look at their nests. This is their colony on the date palm tree. A lot of them around. And they are always busy. They are mending, altering and repairing their nests and so beautiful. And these are some jungle babblers. They are playing and grooming each other on a moringa tree, quite lush green tree. And a bulbul and an Indian robin. This is common Indian robin. They are taking bath, a bulbul and a bush chat, a rather robin. A little prenia, robin dancing, quite colorful and beautiful bird. We are lucky enough to have a lot of species, lot of bird species around. And these are manas, a lot of manas sitting on solar plates, discussing to make some united platform, I think, trying to scat. And lush green trees in the background. A lot of acacia trees. Look at them actually scatting on the plates and enjoying. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.